How to publish your own custom GPT chatbot in Open Store? Have you developed a cool custom GPT chatbot that you want to share with other people? Here is how. You have created your own all GPT chatbot using open all the chat GPT technology, and you think your GPT might provide helpful or interesting to other people. Know that open store in open for business. You can publish your GPT so that other chat GPT subscription can take it for a spin. And if your GPT is popular enough, you may even earn a bit of money from it down the road through open. Provide any detail on that option just yet. Any chat GPT subscribe can create a publish their own GPT. Before you can publish a GPT using the builder profile tool, you have need to verify your profile with either your name or a website domain. After being verified, you will be able to post your chatbot for other subscriber to see. You can create as many custom GPTs as you like. However, there are some rules and about the types of chatbots you can develop before you dive in. Review, open, use, publish, paying special. Publish to the section on builder with chat GPT and GPT store. First, you need to be chat GPT publish or team subscriber. A free account would not cut it. To check your plan, sign in at the chat GPT website. Click your name at the bottom of the left side and select my plan. If you are using the free flavor of chat GPT and want to upgrade, click upgrade plan at the bottom of the and choose the plan you are want to use. If you are already create a GPT you want to publish, great. If not, maybe you are not sure what type of GPT you want to build. To get some look at the ones that other people have devised, at your chat GPT page, click explore GPTs near the top of the left sidebar. That takes you to the GPT store where you can review the currently crop. While you are here, make sure that any GPTs you already have in mind do not duplicate ones already in the store.